TECNI-QUIP offers more types of basket-style carts than any other company in the nation. Here's the basic, a vinyl cart with metal base. There's a variety of colors, a few options, and many sizes. Next, let's look at poly carts. Attractive and cost-effective choice. There's a variety of options, sizes, and a rainbow of colors. The superior choice is fiberglass. This is fire retardant, will last decades, is repairable, has superior options, and a variety of colors. Let's look at our aluminum models, the AL1000, European styling basket carts made here in the United States by TECNI-QUIP. Quiet, easy to push, they'll bring a smile to your staff's face. And did I say they could be made in custom sizes? Here's a look at a custom cart, basket style by TECNI-QUIP, fitting perfectly underneath the folding table. Tell us the size you need and we'll manufacture it at no additional cost. Stop wasting money on repairing walls that are damaged by carts without bumpers. TECNI-QUIP offers a variety of bumper solutions for all the models shown in this video. TECNI-QUIP offers a variety of bumper solutions, either on the upper rim or mounted to the base. Note the lower bumpers that keep the carts inches away from the walls. Contact the TQ Cart crew today. We're knowledgeable and friendly and can help you select the perfect cart for your department.